Now we're going to cut out our cloud very, very carefully. I want you to really take your time, line up your scissors with every single line that you drew when we drew our cloud. The more time you spend lining up your scissors, the better it's going to look once it's cut out. So take your time with this part. Next, we're going to go back to our rainbow piece of paper, and we're going to cut along those lines the best that we can. Again, you're going to want to really take your time lining up your scissors so then we can separate these colors. We want to have a red strip, an orange strip, a yellow strip, a green strip, a blue strip, a purple strip, and then any extras that you have. If we don't line it up really nicely, you might get some of that green on that yellow or some of that orange on that red. Just try your very best to line it up. It won't be perfect, and that's fine, but we want to try to make it as neat as we possibly can. Now that we have all of our strips all cut out, we're going to glue it down onto our cloud. We want to try to keep these in rainbow order the best that we can, so then it's easier when we're putting them onto the cloud. Remember, rainbow order goes red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Starting with my red here, I'm going to take my glue and put a little bit at the very top of that strip of the paper. You could use a glue bottle or a glue stick. Then I'm going to lift up my cloud and put the strip behind it. I'm going to do the same thing with my orange one, put a little dot of glue onto it, then lift up the cloud and put the strip behind it. And you'll continue to do that for the rest of your strips of paper. Try to fit as many of these strips as you possibly can. If you don't have enough room for 1 or 2 strips of paper, that's fine. But you want to try to fit as many of those as you possibly can.